Hey, guess what? Steel. We have a steel. So first thing I'm going to do is season it. First thing you do when you get these things? Season. And this is the exclusive content that you'll get on YouTube that I'm not putting onto the group. So if you want to get this stuff and see it first before it hits the group, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And you'll see all this stuff even before the group does. All the prototype stuff that we do, all of the updates, they're all going on YouTube first now. So subscribe to this channel and you'll get it. So what I'm doing is I'm putting this spent vegetable oil on here, and with a silicone brush putting it on evenly, and then we'll go through the polymerization and carbonization process. Season it. It says last thing you want is for these things to rust, so do both sides and it will be wonderful. Shouldn't have to do this too often because it's going to get used a bunch. These won't break, trust me. I measured these things and it is 6 millimeters thick. So this is like 1/4 inch. Maybe even a little thicker than 1/4 inch, but it's definitely got some weight to it, some girth. These are laser cut. They're made of carbon steel, and they should hold heat. They should do what they exactly are meant to do. And so with that on there, let's take out the stone and put in the steel. Yeah, here's my tester. Line up those two holes. Perfect. There we go. Let's burn it up. I hope it sits lower. You got the thickness of the stone. That's pretty thick on its own, but this, it's thin because it's not needed to be so thick. And yeah, so I'm gonna run some temperature through it, see what kind of temperatures I'm getting on that steel, and then I'll post it and publish, and you guys can check it out. So good on you. All right, I've had this steel in the oven for about 8 minutes. Hasn't quite been 10. And right when it hit 500 degrees, like clockwork, the vegetable oil started smoking off. So that's what you're seeing right now. The door's open, so it's all going towards the back because of drafting. So right at about 620 degrees Fahrenheit, it starts looking dry. That is the carbonization process. It is now bonded into the metal. And so when it looks completely dry, like right now it's at 675 degrees Fahrenheit, and the only thing that is moist on the thing is just a little bit in the center. And so I'm gonna leave it going, and I'm gonna let this thing go until the stone is dry from that vegetable oil seasoning. And then it's in there forever. You can layer this and do it as many times as you like, but the burn off is the most important thing. Just putting the vegetable oil on, or the canola oil, or whatever oil you want to use, flaxseed, etc. Those things that's all your choice. That's why I'm not pre-seasoning it, because there are some opinions here. There's keto, there's keto 2, there's all kinds of things that even I'm just learning about, and these trends come and go, they change, etc. I don't want to be a part of that. I'm going to give you something that you can customize and make exactly how you want it to be. But the steel, so far I'm impressed. My shoulder is super hot right here. So my thermometer is fully maxed out. I hit 700 degrees already. So I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to let it cool off and let that carbonization process finish. And we got ourselves a pizza steel.